This voltage tester came in handy when we moved into a new place and needed to test out our power outlets and wiring. Let's open the box to see what it looks like. The tester itself is enclosed in a thin plastic bag, and there is also a small instruction booklet that includes some safety instructions and steps on how to operate the tester. This tool is shaped just like a pen and easy to hold in one hand and carry around because it is so compact. And here's a pocket clip to make it easier for you to bring it everywhere you need to go. Towards the top of the tester there is a cap that can be twisted off. Looks like it will take two AAA batteries, which is not included in the package. Once the batteries are inserted, the tester is ready for use. There is an LCD display, and the red button here is the power button, and the green button is a sensitivity indicator and allows you to power on the flashlight as needed. Let's first test the flashlight. As you can see here, the probe tip illuminates when I press the green button, and when I press it again, the flashlight turns off. Let's test this on some wire that is lighting my room. All you need to do is touch the probe tip to the wire. When the tip glows red and the pen beeps, you know there's a voltage present. The higher the sensed voltage is, or the closer it is to the voltage source, it beeps at a higher frequency. At the same time, the screen will be red or green. Red means high voltage and live wire are detected. Green means low voltage and no wire are detected. The bonus feature of this voltage tester is that there is an automatic power off after 3 minutes without operation or signal detection. And here's a test confirming an outlet that serves no power, which is why we have capped this outlet off with a blank faceplate.